Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on our YouTube channel. So as you guys have noticed, we haven't posted any videos in the last couple of weeks, well, because we are planning for something big. So as you guys know, this here is where we usually work on our cars. This is the work location beside our house. And also we had this car over there, the Honda, as a storage unit where we kept our equipment and supplies and tools and stuff. And now, as you can tell, the hood is open, so we're gonna try to start her up and take our vehicles to a new location. So have a seat and join us on our new journey. Okay guys, so as you saw, the carburetor is leaking all around, so we're gonna take it out, remove it, inspect it, and back out fix it. Okay guys, till now we have this accelerator pump diaphragm, which is cracked and bad, and it's also hot. So this was leaking because it is the seal in one piece, and also as the float was stuck and it was leaking from here, from the adjustment screw. If you can't hear it. Anyway, now we're gonna remove the float and get some new stuff and then throw it back together. Guys, so now we got the carburetor all buttoned up and assembled back together. Let's go throw it on. Okay guys, now with the car running, we're gonna head straight to the new location. Okay guys, welcome to the new Tuned2Blast Garage. So let's do a quick walk around the garage from the inside. Here we have a couple of shelves, here and there, for tool storage and stuff. Here we have a bench vise mounting bracket and stuff, and it's sturdy as hell. You can also pull some frames with it and do a lot of stuff. And if you look closely on the ground, there are these hooks which are buried 10 meters down, which well, if you can't tell, this place used to be truck service point, so they get huge trailer trucks and stuff. They fix them up, as you can see from the truck rig out there. It was abandoned for some reason, and here we came to the rescue. And also we have there a bench around this set. It's listening to some stuff, but well, nothing is not fixed. As you can see here, we also have some shelves, and also, as before, the same hooks that are buried under the ground. These are gonna come so in handy for pulling some stuff and also anchoring some stuff down to do some framework. And here folks, here we have the cherry on top. The thing that I went in the garage and said, yes, we need that garage. Here we have a roof crane that, well, you can do a lot of things in it using this. It's gonna save us a lot of time. We can pull engines out, we can do some framework, we can do a lot of stuff using this hoist. So it's gonna be so fun and so useful. So if you can't tell, there's a wall built at the end of the garage here. You can probably fit 2 cars here, 3 cars crammed, but there's no need to. Anyway, we might be expanding later on, breaking through this wall and expanding to the other side. Let's go get a closer look. Okay, so here on the other side, there's a bunch of junk laying around. It's not ours, so who cares? We have another roof crane dangling from the air, which is good. And also we have an office area over there. We can go up to there with that stair. So we will be utilizing this, but this side is gonna be later on. As for right now, we have only this side. We're gonna start cleaning it. Well, not start, continue cleaning, and maybe give her a bath. And then we're gonna give her a coat of paint. Okay guys, so we're gonna pause for today and we'll continue where we left tomorrow, because we're gonna bring with us a pressure washer and then we're gonna paint some walls. Okay guys, so it's the next day here, and here we got everything packed, everything ready to head to the new garage. See you there. Okay guys, so here we are at the garage, and here we have a pressure washer. I'm gonna fire her up and pressure wash the whole garage starting from the walls. Okay guys, so with that done, everything is clean. Now it's ready for a coat of paint. We most probably gonna follow the same theme all around the walls, half blue, half white. But the problem we have now is we don't have blue paint, we only have white, so we're gonna start by the top half. Guys, so we finished painting the top side of the walls with white paint. Now it got late on us, so we're gonna shut it down and catch you tomorrow in the morning. Okay guys, so here we are in the third day of prepping the garage. We're gonna start by pulling the truck out, cleaning some stuff, and then we're gonna be painting the blue walls gray. We changed the color because, well, we found it that it's better, and it's better for light propulsion and stuff. Propulsion. And it's, well, we have it, so let's do a new coat on all the bottom sides of the walls, and it's gonna be awesome. Reflection. Guys, so here we have the gray paint. We're gonna start by painting this wall. Okay guys, so as you can see, we finished painting the whole inside of the garage and it turned out beautiful. We also unloaded a bunch of stuff from both cars and we got this storage unit empty. And now it's a car once again. Here we are organizing the tools, and over there we are organizing the painting supplies, and over here we have some junk that was laying around. That being said, hopefully this is gonna be the start of an epic content yet to come. Stay tuned for that and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on it when it comes out. See you on the next one. Peace.